Tapi you wanna draw something? Oh, I got it some.
Aja my main entrance ya.
Fine.
What's next?
Fine. No, you will just look at it with your.
Please just look at it. Which you wanna open?
You wait.
Cut the whole stick. We can take a picture.
Utopia.
So which one? I got sushi. You want this? The Californian roll? And what else? Californian roll. Shrimp roll. Okay. Give me my card. Yeah.
Give me a review.
I think
Honest review.
I tried good because soy sauce.
Your food review is getting out of hand. Here for you. Food review again.
Flavor
It
is
doesn't-
good,
That's good.
but when it gets flavor is when you go to. Oh, let's take first bite.
Hey, Mr. Nine.
One life, Lalda.
Now we try. It tastes good.
It tastes good.
Potato also tastes
Mashed
good.
potato, okay. The mashed potato. Okay.
Yum,
Usually-
that's still- Is
Yeah.
that ice in there?
Yeah, it's ice.
Okay. So let's try it with that.
So, total? Alright.
Okay, so now sweet potato.
That's an ice cream.
Oh, wow.
Mệt nè, lần nào là cái sao nó review. Sounds
20
like
out of 10.
Yes.
I'm so full.
What?
I'm so full.
Keep it.